Hello, YouTube.
Oh my goodness.
Is NARD&NISHA, 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 what's the feature? What's the feature?
Hello, YouTube. So we are back with another video.
I'm back at it again with
So today we're gonna do a really quick home decor DIY. It's another mural that we want to do for you guys. And for the first time, guess what?
That was the wrong sound.
So this video is sponsored by I think it's Qoolife. Yeah, Qoolife Submersible LED light. So if you want to learn more about this amazing product, stay tuned to the end. You want to stay tuned to the end. A, to figure out what our end product is gonna look like, and B, to learn about this product.
Duh.
And if you like it enough, we have a discount code for you. Who doesn't like discounts? Because I don't like paying full price. As y'all know from my clothing haul, I don't pay full price for anything. So, without further ado, we didn't want this intro to be too long, so we're going to get right into it.
Alright.
Okay, so this is what we will be DIYing. If you can see this.
Let me see it. Oh. Y'all see that? I think y'all see it.
It's a giant, heavy, wooden mural. And we actually have two of these. This was courtesy of my mom, but as y'all know, this is not with our color scheme, so we're just gonna do it a king and queen style.
Oh yeah.
That's an insider, and you'll learn more about why I said that at the end. So the first thing we're gonna do is prime this white, and then I am going to we tried to find a stencil of what we wanted at like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but we couldn't find it, so I'm gonna freehand draw it and make my own stencil. And stay tuned.
Okay, guys. So at this point, we're just gonna tell you about how we kind of, did this. So basically, we went to Hobby Lobby and got a few poster boards, and right now you just kind of see Denisha tracing the chess piece that we want to do, and she folded the poster board in half and just drew half of it because we know that these pictures are symmetrical. Yeah. So you just draw one side and you cut it on the folded side, not the open side.
Make it a lot easier on yourself, because we actually went to Hobby Lobby to find a stencil of the chess pieces, but they didn't have it, so I decided to do it myself. And then when you cut it out, it should reveal a whole stencil of the piece that you want, and then also the whole entire chess piece itself. And you're about to see that right now.
Bam.
Okay, y'all, so we've been out here spray painting. Let me see that can. Too slow. Sorry, it's late outside. So this is the can of spray paint we bought. Back. So this is the can of spray paint we bought. It was only $1, and now I see why. So this is basically the whole can of spray paint. As you can see, you can still see some of the stuff through it. So we just went ahead and used all the spray paint that we could out of that, and then we're gonna take just some white paint and go back over it. But we didn't get a lot of white paint, so hopefully we have enough to cover all this and finish the product. But stay tuned for the rest. Okay, so here you see us putting the two colors in a bowl. We got navy and white from Walmart. They are 50 cents a piece. We got 5 of the navies and I think 3 of the whites, and it made it through the whole project. So here you see me covering my piece in white. The queen side, I wanted to be background white with a blue piece,
and vice versa for me. I want mine with a navy blue background with a white piece.
So I have completely covered mine in white, and we've all seen Bernard's painting skills.
We're not gonna talk about it. We're just gonna get through it, okay?
They're not the best, so I had to come in and help Bay. So that was what the this is what 2 coats look like. So we did 2 coats of the base, and then we took the stencil and used just painter's tape and taped it up there, and then we basically filled in the stencil on both of the paintings. So I filled in the blue on my white background. I filled in the white on that blue background. And then we kind of let it dry just a little bit. So y'all, watching paint dry is the most boring thing on the planet.
Exactly.
So we're taking a dance break while the paint's dry. And y'all know I can't dance. And y'all know we crazy. So that's what's going on right now.
Yeah.
Are you mowing the grass?
Basically. You ain't never heard of that lawnmower?
We making some progress.
Here's for Mama True.
You just gonna rip it up? Oh my goodness. But they can be fixed.
Yay!
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I can't take no credit, because, babe, she came in and lined up there. I know she was like, bow.
Don't you hit it?
She was just
Yeah, it's made it to the end of this video.
We got a surprise.
We have a surprise. Once I get this lighting together. There we go.
What's that Qoolife?
Qoolife Submersible Live sponsored this video. They reached out to us and sent us this, and I love it. So we've been playing around with this light for a while. They actually sent us this about 2 months ago, so we're a little behind. But we've been using it, and so but I think it's gonna look great with this DIY we just did, and we're gonna show you what they're all about and how it shines. One thing is that it is submersible in water, so you can put it in your pool, you can put it in your bathtub. I put it in my bathtub and it was gorgeous. So like if you just want to have like a chill, relaxed day and just have some cool, colorful water, it's perfect for that. But be sure to screw it as tight as you possibly can because water can seep in the inside. When I say tighten it, so you twist it open and you put the batteries in here, but there's a sealant, but you have to make sure it's like as tight as you can possibly screw it together before you put it in water, or it will quit working. This is the remote. Be sure that the remote stays dry all the time. The light is waterproof, the remote is not. It does have different colors, so the light turns red, green, blue. You can alternate between red and blue, red and green, or green and blue. And then you can either flash it, you can just have it like crossfade into different lights. You can do mixed lights, you can have it spark, or you can just sit on auto. And a lot of people use this light to like put behind, like if you're a flat screen, it's like yeah, if your flat screen is like mounted up against the wall, a lot of people put it behind their flat screen, so like when you turn the lights off, the lights will shine behind the TV.
So if you're not using the light, take the batteries out. That's something we did not do, and we thought the thing was broke.
We did.
But it was actually user made.
So we actually tried to record this video 2 weeks ago with the light, and I got so mad because the light didn't work no more. I'm like, I just bought these batteries, but we had let the batteries sit in there for like 3 weeks or maybe even a month, and it still draws power. So if you're not using it, take the batteries out, and you'll be good. I was critique this, like, regardless of it being sponsored, I'm gonna be as honest as I can. This magnet is not worth it. So the only thing is the magnet is not as strong as I would like it to be. So because of how heavy this light is, if you stick it to some it will kind of slide down a little bit. So it's not, because this thing is so heavy, you should put it on something that's like 100% iron. It'll stick better. So I don't know if my stuff is just not 100% iron, but ours is really just not holding like I would like it to. But other than that, I really just have it sitting on surface. I don't really use the magnet that much anyway, so it doesn't bother me. So we just wanted to let y'all know. Put the link to this light if you like it and want to purchase it. We're gonna put the link in our description box, and we're also gonna put
like $12, right?
It was $14, but y'all, it's worth it. We do have a discount code that we'll put in the description box as well, so you guys can get some discounts.
You feel me?
So,
I know we can go on the show.
Y'all ready?
Was it?
I think that's it. That's all. So this is red, green, blue, and then this is when it alternates.
You got the auto, and when it kind of just fades into the different colors.
Yeah.
And then the spark is when you get like it's a party going on, like the SpongeBob jellyfish next to Government's house. And the mixed. Mixed and spark. Mixed.
Okay, so we have this lamp on right. It looks like with all the lights on. And so this is with all the lights on, so you can tell how bright it is, and it looks so gorgeous behind these pictures. And so yeah, make sure you buy the light and tell them that we sent you, and leave a nice review and let us know how you like it if you buy it too.
So YouTube, I hope you enjoyed our beautiful faces. Well, more so her beautiful face. My kind of semi-handsome face.
You got a haircut today, y'all, so you looking good. And I don't know if I said this before, but this is my first time wearing my real hair in my videos.
Yes,
so let me know what y'all think, and if I should continue to do that.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
so we thank you for stopping by. We're gonna be more consistent. Y'all will graduate in 2 weeks. And we out of here.
Is it close?
It's that close, baby. And we're gonna be out of here, so we have a lot more time then. So stay tuned for the mini video. Y'all have a good night. We love y'all. Stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, and if you have not subscribed yet, what are you doing?
S-U-B.
You gonna spell the word this time? So yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we out here.